In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert and edit a PDF in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to open a PDF in Word, make clean edits, tidy up any formatting quirks, and save your work in the format that suits you best. Let's start by opening the PDF in Word. First, launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Go to the File menu and click Open. Browse to the location of your PDF, select it, and click Open. Word will display a message explaining that it needs to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is expected. Go ahead and click OK. Word will do its best to preserve the layout, but keep in mind that complex PDFs, like those with columns, forms, or intricate graphics, may not look identical after conversion. That's normal, and we'll clean up anything that looks off in the next step. Once the PDF content is open as a Word document, you can edit it just like any other file. Click into the text to correct wording, update dates, or rewrite paragraphs. If images came through, you can select them to resize, reposition, or replace them, and use the picture format options to adjust the layout. If you notice inconsistent fonts, spacing, or headings, use styles to fix them efficiently. Apply a style like Heading 1 or Normal to one section, then right-click the style and choose to update it based on your selection. This updates similar sections across the document and brings everything into a consistent look. It's a huge time saver compared to fixing formatting line by line. For headers and footers, double-click at the very top or bottom of the page to enter the header or footer area. From there, you can edit page numbers, add a document title, or remove unwanted content just as you would in any standard Word file. If something looks misaligned after conversion, simple tweaks, like adjusting margins or paragraph spacing, usually resolve it. When you're happy with your edits, it's time to save. Go to File and select Save As. Choose your preferred location so you can easily find the file later. In the Save As Type or File Format dropdown, pick Word Document. .cas if you want to keep the file fully editable for future changes. If you're sharing the final version and want a fixed layout, choose PDF instead. Finally, click Save or Export. If your version of Word presents that option, that's it. You've converted a PDF, edited it in Word, and saved it in the format you need.